Hello, in this video, let us understand about circle and its parts. A circle is a round shape with no corners and no sides. It is also a closed figure made up of only one curved line. Yes, and it is drawn around a fixed point called the center of the circle, called its center of the circle. Any point on the curved line is at the same distance from the center. Parts of a circle. Here, circle is a closed figure made out of only one curve and the fixed point around which the curved boundary of a circle is called its center. Its center. And here O is the center of the circle. From point O to any point on the line on the boundary of a circle will be of same distance. Next, circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. The boundary of this circle is called its circumference. Next, radius. What is radius? A straight line segment that joins the center to any part or any point on the boundary is called the radius of the circle. We'll mark center as O and the other point as Q. So here OQ is the radius of this circle now. From the center to any point on the circle is radius. This is also one radius. OP is also radius. So from the center to any point on the boundary of circle is called the radius. Next, diameter. A straight line segment that passes through the center and joins any two points on the boundary of a circle is called its diameter. Here, OQ is the radius. Here is one more line. Yes, which joins any two points on the boundary but passing through the center. It will pass through the center, so it is called as diameter. It is called as diameter. We'll mark one point as P, another point as R. Here, PR is the diameter of this circle. Next, chord. Chord is also line segment that joins any two points on the boundary of a circle, but it may or may not pass through the center of the circle. It is not compulsory that it should always pass through the center of the circle. Now here, this is chord. It is joining one point and another point on the boundary. It is joining two points on the boundary. Here diameter will also join two points on the boundary, but it is passing through the center, so it is called as diameter. But chord, it is not necessary that it has to pass through the center of the circle. It can join any two points on the boundary and it is called as chord. It is not necessary that it has to pass through the center. And the longest chord in the circle is the diameter itself. Yes, as it is passing through the center and it will be the longest chord of a given circle. Also, the diameter divides the circle into two equal halves. When it is drawn, it divides the circle into two halves. Then each half is called as a semicircle. This portion is called as semicircle. As diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, each part is called as semicircle. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.